lace type, see-through again. Look at that, guys. Type na type ko to siya. Para itong pang Madonna. Pang Madonna or sheer, no? This kind of panty, yes. I will go for this one. Yes. A little bit more of high coverage. Of course, the print here is flower. Lace type, see-through again. This one is my type of an underwear. I can wear it? Yes, definitely. Makaluma.
Again, what color is it? Charan! Of course, black. Hindi yan mawawala. Kasi ang favorite color nako is black. Very, very nice, guys. See like that. Bam. No. Look at me. What do you think? Or you agree that this is everything? You can really hit a target with this one because it's just the right type of design. Embroidery, see-through, lingerie, no? Social na social talaga siya. Hindi ka ano dito, guys, sa price nito. Ay nako, in comparison with, you know, those high-end lingerie, you can compete with it. Ta-da! This one, see-through. Again, guys, very light material. It's very, very comfortable to wear. Affordable, cheap online, cheaper than in store. Again, this is the material, see-through lace. And here the pocket, cotton of course. Yeah, for protection of the leaky. And also if you have a curvaceous body, this is it. This is for you guys. Yes, I would recommend it. Yes, of course. Yes, because light, comfy, it's not itchy. Next panty, let's dig into, of course, my favorite again. What is it? Charan! Black. Next one. Cheating. Hala! Kagaya ito sa mga friendship ko. Black lang to. My friends' panties, they are like, I see purple, orange. G-Bang. Dita, gihapon nimong kagmaon na ni guys. You can dance. You can try. Having the time of your life. See-through polka dot. And the back here, like, kudlit lang. See that girl. Watch this panty. You will be a dancing queen. It is very nice. Light. Look at the edges over here on like the rubber. Pero feel na ko, guys, na malangkat nagdali. Pugso ni mo, bat, ana ba? Langkat. If you wear this, very, very careful lang. And if you have a dress, not too tight, and also the materials on the dress that you're wearing is not too heavy as well, because this is so light material. Cut yung nagdali. Feel the heat on the tambourine. Oh yeah. Sa taas, sabi.